I requested Professor Karl Heinz to send me a converter so that I can make observations on the interoperability issues between two models, that is IFC and CTGML. Then he asked me to send an IFC file so that he will export at different LODs of CTGML and I can make observations on it. So this is the model which I have created in Revit and saved it as an IFC file and sent to Professor Karl Heinz. When I created this Revit model, I found that everything was correct. But later when I when I got the reply from Professor Karl Heinz and the files which are exported at different LODs of CTGML, I found that nothing has been generated at LOD 1 because there is no roof and there are no walls on the floor slabs. Here in Revit model there was actually a roof, but here in Revit model there was actually a roof, but the walls were not on the floor slabs. At LOD2, we all know that at LOD2 we know that only external building elements are taken into account. But here if we observe, the columns did not get exported. This is because of the reason that walls were intersecting with the columns and the columns were assumed as an internal elements rather than as an external elements, because of which it did not get exported at LOD2. At LOD3, the same level of detail at LOD2 which we will get. At LOD3 it's only an LOD2 with doors and windows. At LOD3 it is it is same as LOD2 but with doors and windows. But with at LOD3 it is same LOD2 level of detail but with added doors and windows properties. At LOD4 everything is exported but no rooms has been created in CTGML because no spaces in IFC. Here if you see the roof got displaced. This may be here the roof got displaced. This may be a problem with Revit to IFC export, because of which LOD1 LOD because of which LOD1 detail has not been done. Because of which LOD1 level of detail has not been generated.